In order to change the font style on POCO X7 Pro, we can go to the Themes app, and then over here at the top we can switch to fonts. Now over here we will find a bunch of different fonts that we can install. Most of them are free, if not all of them. You can see it on the right side over here. So let's say I'm gonna choose this font over here, and then we can press this download button. And after that we can apply. Of course you might need to use the Xiaomi account in order to be able to use different new fonts. In order to do so, you want to switch to My Account at the bottom, and then here you will have the option to sign in. You can sign in by creating a account, simple as that, or you can use your Google account in order to quickly skip this process. And there we go. As you can see, we have a completely new font. If I go to the settings, you can see it looks different. And if you want to switch to any other font that you already have, then you want to go to My Account, and then over here go to Fonts, and here you can find all of them that you already have. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!